everyone, so this is V. Welcome to my vlog. So for this day, my very first vlog for adult collectors, it's all about unboxing up my friend BTS. Jin, the most handsome. So again, this is for adult collectors. And do not forget again to subscribe, watch and like. Please share too. So are you ready? Let's start. Hello, this is V again. So let's see what Jin has to offer. Look at his face. He proves that he's the most handsome. A very nice hair, a platinum red. He's wearing a silver suit with nice color made of rhinestone. He has a chunky belt. So this suit matches with floral silver pants and a silver dazzling shoes. But there's a lot more. So as you can see here, he has a silver bracelet and of course the signature PS. So once again, this is Jin BTS Prestige Doll.